This is the exhaust system from the bike removed. Let's talk through the details of how to get it off. First, on the muffler, you want to loosen this clamp, twist and drop it down, then loosen this bolt and nut combination. It has a nut on the back that's hard to see. Then twist and pull the muffler and it'll slide right off. Next, you want to remove the cowl from underneath the engine. You do that by pulling these 4 bolts, 2 on either side. Once you've pulled those 4 bolts, you also want to pull 3 of the 4 support brackets off, the 2 front brackets and the right-hand side rear bracket, but leave the lower left-hand side bracket nearest the kickstand. It has some other things attached to it. Once you've done that, you want to start on the cat. The first thing I recommend doing is pulling the oxygen sensor from this port. It takes a 17mm wrench. Be careful that you don't get the wires too twisted up and break them. Next, you want to loosen this bolt, then go to the other side of the bike, under the bike near the quick stand, and remove this bolt. Then, up under the engine, on the front, you want to release the headers from the exhaust manifold. It's got 2 flange brackets that have 2 12mm nuts on each. You might need a deep well socket to get these nuts off. Once you've done that, come back and support the catalytic converter from the bottom and remove this last bolt, and that whole assembly will drop down. Here's some more details on how to do that. right, guys. Looks like we're looking pretty good. Can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like. Neither one of us have heard it yet. As Mrs. Blue Ridge Rider says, you hope what? It doesn't blow up.
I hope it doesn't blow up.
Yeah, me too. All right, let's hear it.
All right.
Wait to see if we may get a check engine light after we start, but fire it up.